Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So we will fix this issue today, like how to fix can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 10. So if it you are not capable of turning off airplane mode, so we will turn off today. So firstly we have to just go to services. So you have to type here in search bar services. Then you have to go on system services and you have to scroll down and find out radio management system. So here it is, radio management system. You have to just right click on it and go to properties, and in properties you have to change this startup type. By default it is on manual, so you have to change it to automatic, and then click on apply and then click on OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to move to step 2, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager in search bar and go to device manager. In device manager you have to go to network adapter and scroll down this option, and you have to here find out your Wi-Fi adapter. So here it is mine. So you have to just right click on it and go to properties, and in properties in the power management section I have to just uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. It is basically by default it's checked, so you have to uncheck. So I have click on uncheck, then click on OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to go to settings in the third step and the last step. So you have to just click on settings, and in settings you have to go to network and internet, and in network and internet in the left side you have to go to airplane mode section, and in airplane mode you have to check this option should be off. If it is on your system, so you have to click on off by through this, so your airplane mode will be turned off. So you can also check this from here as well. Here you can see mobile hotspot option, so you can also turn off here from here as well. So if you like my video, so kindly like it, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.